I want to really make my students laugh and enjoy the learning. Learning is about liberation, more about liberation and less about exams. It's about making sense of our lives and the world, and that's what I strive for with my students in my classes. One teacher who really inspired me is my Sanskrit teacher, Mrs. Neena Mehta ma'am, and I have been in touch with her from the first day when she taught me in 6th grade till now. It is the way she gave attention to each and every one of us, the way she supported us, is what has inspired me. My pedagogy is based on creative expression and focuses heavily on co-learning with students. It is consciously centered around the student and her context. Its sole purpose is to add meaning to the lives of the learner. My name is Ankit. Come learn with me at Openhouse.